Here comes Grant from surfing out in the ocean. I decided to stay back and watch. Are you pooped?
I'm pooped. I got to surf some pretty sweet waves, and then I asked that one guy if he wanted to ride.
Yeah, noticed all of a sudden you picked up a guy. Where'd he even come from?
He was out there floating around, and I picked him up so that he could run the video camera because I was having trouble paddling and videoing. He's like, he'll come sit in the front. I'll give him a ride if he films. But we never got around to the whole filming part because we pretty much dumped immediately. And then he's like, oh, I need to go home and prepare dinner and sushi for my wife. Whatever. So, I ramped some waves out there and rode some waves. Ocean kayaking is awesome. So much fun. We need to rinse this off.